Good morning, student. This is chapter 7, The Story of Keys, from our course book. The Story of Keys is a short story which was written by Jack London that was first published in January of 1904. Keys was the son of a great huntsman who was well known and respected in his tribe. Unfortunately, Keys' father died when Keys was very young. As is often the case, the legendary exploits of Key's father was forgotten with time. After many years, the child grew to be the 13 and he was inspired by tales of his father's skills as a hunter and emboldened by his self-confidence and the lackluster amount of food being gathered by the tribe. He addresses the village elders in the igloo of the tribe's chief. As a child, addressing the tribal elders was seen as precocious. Keys declared that he would honor his father's memory and become a great hunter and bring back a wealth of meat for his people. He was scorned and they allowed him to go off on his own way. Many never expected to hear from him again. 4 days later, Keys returned. 4 days after, Keys returned, and there was an enormous burden of freshly killed meat over his shoulder. He explained that an entire polar bear's carcass laid a day travel from the village. The villagers were stunned by this boy, having entered the elements and succeeded in his quest, became suspicious. After several more hunting excursions on Key's part, all alone and all resulting in enormous amounts of meat for the tribe. Then the villagers begin whispering that Keys is undoubtedly practicing witchcraft. It means that he is hunting the bears, polar bears, by some evil things. But he is killing that bears with his skill. Then what happened? One day, when he was going for hunting, they decided that someone will follow him. However, they had no choice but to be loyal to this man child, as he had begun to provide them all with bounteous food. Keys had the appreciative villagers construct for him an enormous igloo, revolving that of the chief. After more speculation and innuendo as to the source of Keys' hunting prowess, it was decided to send 2 scouts to allow him on a hunting exhibition. They returned several days later, having been successful in trailing Keys to his skill. Keys to his kill an enormous polar bear. They told a tale that the tribal council simply couldn't believe upon his return. The tribe gathered in Key's igloo to accuse him of witchcraft. He answered their charges well. Keys explained the source of his hunting success. He explained why the two scouts sent to follow him observed him starting up to the bear. He explained that when he went to hunt, he having small round balls of food on the eyes for the bear, and why the bear soon became ill as he has some wells spins that is very sharp, and he hide it into the ice ball, and when bear eat it they become ill and not feeling good, and they feel very tired. He explained how he was then able to spare the bear without endangering himself. Thank you, student.